is up, Brad Getters? We got another video today. We got the candy cane. A big change that's about to happen to the truck. We got baby right here. You know, we just got out of the bank right now. We're gonna head to Real Sound here in Rio Grande City. And if you know what Real Sound sells, they sell intros. So we're about to go buy some intros, 17 by 11, get the matching steering wheel and everything. Y'all stay tuned for the video. Stay tuned for what else is coming. The truck, it's gonna change the look big time. And then after that, we'll see what we do with it. You know, be honest, I never thought I was gonna get the intros. We've been running on stock wheels for a while. Like it's been like a year or two with the same wheels and stuff. Those are stock. If y'all didn't know, those are the original ones that came with it. But let's change it up. Let's head to Real Sound. See you right there. Get that right as always. Stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe. Go follow our social media in the description and all that good stuff. Other than that, let's go to Real Sound.
Y para los que dijeron que no le íbamos a lograr. Dijeron que no la iba a lograr y ahorita todos están callados.
Pa' que bache lo que el morro trae y la matita de este la está dando.
Yo no la bajo y ni pienso bajar porque ando chido y ninguno ragamos.
Todos en la cuadra andan bien chaca tirando placa en el ley y andamos bien recién en el PA.
Tía huevo cabrón, puro pinche 956. Otra cumbia otra vez, ¿cómo va? Puro pinche back. Tu nena coqueteando, me la paso yo mirando, nena, yo soy otro rango, siempre vamos pa' mi barrio, ya tú sabes que no fallo, siempre ando. Mi ritmo es la buena, suena por el 5-6, si suena porque suena, yo tengo llena la mesa de putas y de botellas, a mí no me importa que ella siempre ando en la pila, tu amiga está bien fea, mucho maquillaje se puso la pinche huerca, adelante me la paso bien tumbado. Hablando de puro vato bien tatuado. De la niña también se me la paso bien loqueado.
Puro delincuente sonando en este lado. Every chain, every day, every night. I don't give a fuck who the fuck.
Y luego allá enfrente traigo una equivalent to the yellow top.
3, hacia mi compa Chinito pa' acá. Pura fuerza rígida, viejo.
La marca tiene sello, es DLC. Con mi carnal Turo nunca la bajé, por eso es que ahora se ando al 100. Se no dio ni cómo bajarle.
Y andamos recio pa' apostarle. Yo sé que el Arturo nunca va a rajarse. Pa' el problema listo pa' enfiestarse. Con su tracatera puesta pa'l que pase. A huevo viejo.
What is up, Brad Getters? That's gonna be the end of the video right there. Ya quedó. Damos un necio, pa. Ya sabes. Intro 17 by 11 intro alpha. Apparently they've only sold like 4 in the nation, so make it 5 now. 5's my lucky number, so make it 5 in the nation. We one of the first ones, the intro alphas. That's what's up. You already know. Hey baby, what do you think about the new wheels on the truck?
Number 5 in the nation on Tom Ben, huh?
Hey, there you have it, folks. We got the new wheels and everything. Y'all stay tuned for everything. We gotta buy the adapter for the steering wheel on the truck, and we'll add that, and then the interior. Other than that, stay tuned for the future. Like, comment, like, comment, and subscribe. Go follow social media in the description. Follow his social media in the description. All that stuff. Get that right as always. We'll see you on the next video. Catch y'all later. Peace.